Welcome guys, and today's episode we are all going back to the Nike outlet, and we're in the outlet. We're gonna check out Nike outlet. So let's go. Good thing they got additional 30% all footwear. Not in just the clearance wall, it's all of the shoes. Let's check it out. This one, very colorful Jordan. Why not 0.2 SP? Nice thing. Lot of color, very vibrant. Lot of good design. Pretty good color. Not bad for Jordan. Why not zero? Selling for 125 and the retail is 125, but they got additional 30 though, so not bad for that. Okay, check this out. Jordan fadeaway $49.97 plus additional 30%. Not bad for a Jordan fadeaway with a white and dark Concord black accent, and this back Concord black, but not bad. $49.97. Then here we got the Air Jordan Legacy 312. Colorway is black, fire, and red. Oh, not bad for 312. Air Jordan and the back Jumpman, but they are selling for $109.99 with additional 30%. Another good deal. Jordan Grind 2. Colorway is white, fire red, and black. $49.97, additional 30. Jumpman. Color is kinda a little bit get dirty easily, but good deal. For retail is $115 and selling for $49.97, additional 30. Also we found something. Jordan 1 Flight 5 Premium. Colorway black, opti yellow, and white for $69.97, additional 30. Not bad on the color, accent of yellow. Jumpman and 2, definitely 3 and the other shoes. Clean. Not bad. $69.97, additional 30. How about this Air Force 1 Low Retro QS Canvas? Plain, light bone, sale. Clean bottom, $99.99 with additional 30%. Not bad. Plain, light bone, sale. $99.97, and they got a lot of bunch sizes. $99.99, additional 30. This Air Max 270 Futura. Colorway is the triple black. Simple with Air Max bubble 270. $99 with additional 30%. And also we found something better. $49.97 for the dark boot of black and cargo khaki. $49.97 with a gum bottom, additional $30. And also the other dark boot low TXT. Colorway is a black, cool gray, and wolf gray. Not bad. $49.97, additional 30 on those. Not bad. And how about this one? We got the Nike Evernown Mid for winter. $44.97, additional 30. Colorway is burgundy ash. Nice colorway for winter or fall. Not bad. Take out this one. We got the Air Max 95. Colorway is white and crystal blue. Oopsie. The retail is 180 and they're selling for 139 with additional 30. Not bad colorway, simple, not too much popping color. Nice. 139. We got a very loud color here. We got the Lime Blast black and white Air Max Plus Premium TM. Retail is 160 and they're selling for 119 with additional 30% off. Hey, check this out. Air Max 90 Premium, 89.99. Colorway black and white with a print of Air Max all over with premium leather. 89 with additional 30. How about we're gonna check out the hash wall with the 30% also. We got the Jordan Why Not Zero here. Colorway is a black signal blue and they are for $39.97. Additional 30 on those. Also, we got the Nike Epic React golden beige crystal blue, and I believe they don't have price on this one. Let's check out something else. If we could find something else, we got the Jordan Flyknit Elevation 79.97 additional 30. What else? How about this one? Jordan Champion Hustle for $39.97 additional 30. Not bad on those. Oh, how about this one? Also Jordan Why Not Zero Low TB. It's all black and silver on the back, and $54.97. What else? What we could find? The Kobe AD Next 360 and they're selling for $39.97 with additional 30. Colorway is black multicolor, not bad. And here is the Nike Epic React Flyknit and they're selling for $94.99 with the additional 30. We got something PG 2.5. Colorway is the yellow and black and $89.97 with additional 30% off. Also they got the Jordan Why Not 0.1 and check the price. Please focus, $39.97 additional 30. And this one, not bad colorway, not price is not bad for $39.97 with additional 30. Check this out. The Jordan Why Not Zero 2.2 SP. They're selling for regular price, so, but with additional 30. And here we got the LeBron 16. This is the 16 with the gold accent and black all over with the battle knit with a signature on the tongue, and it is on retail price with the additional 30% off. And also they got the gray burgundy colorway, same price. What else? We got here in the size 9.5, and we got the Nike Vapor Max Flyknit colorway, the Oreo colorway, black and white. Not bad for this Flyknit, and it's for $190 with the additional 30%. And what else? What we could find here? We got the Jordan Black Cat for $109. I'm not really sure what is this, but here, check this out. 23. Black Cat Jordan 106 and 109, and then additional 30. Also they got the Nike Air Max Essential, and this one is 119 additional 30. Also they got the Jordan Pro Strong 64 black and team orange photo blue. Not bad for those. What else what we could find? This is the cheapest one I found here. Nike EXP X14 and selling for $597. The retail is $120. Colorway is midnight navy white. Cheap ones, not bad. $35.97. Hey, we got the Air Max Sequent Utility, and it is $54.97. Usually I think this one is mostly used for running shoes, but it is a Nike Utility Sequent 360 degrees reflective water repellent. That price point is $59.97, additional 30. Don't pass on those. So I guess that's about it. Nothing else. Uy, what's that? 119 Nike Zoom Boomer 5 SP. I haven't seen this for in the hash wall or somewhere, but I think it's just a return. And they got the Nike Zoom mismatch. Oh, how about this one? We got the Rockets 13 Harden 13 and selling for $49.99. Got a bunch here from small to large or XL with additional 3. And we're done here in the Nike outlet. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoy everything you've seen on those sneakers, especially those sneakers. And the good deal, 30% on every footwear is not bad at all. And this would be the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And that's about it for this video. I'll see you next time. So do you think I'm going home empty-handed? I got me the Air Max 95, and the colorway is the white and crystal blue. Oops, there you go. Boom. Nice colorway on this one. Black, gray accent, and blue accent. Not bad. Price is $140, and then additional 30% off. So somewhere, if I'm mistaken, somewhere $70, $80. Hey, we got something here. SP Nike 25.5. If you could see those numbers out there. What's going on? Lots of going on this shoe. Not bad. The price, they're still selling online, and this one is $160, I believe, and $80 for Air Max 95. That was a good deal. This is good deal. So thank you for watching the channel, and also I'm still giving away those LeBron Is that kind of Lebron? I can't remember. But still, check out one of the videos. The Lebron with the cancer promotion or something. With the 9.5 and 10.5. Check out one of the videos. Still giving away until 2K subscribers, 2,000 subscribers. So we're at 1,500 subscriber for now. So a little bit more, 500 subscribers. So please consider subscribing if you are new to the channel, and share to one of your friends, family, granny. And well, you might find someone who need those shoes, because those are very nice shoe, 9.5 and 10.5 for cancer awareness, and including also the socks. So so this is about it for this video. I hope you like it, and please share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. That's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.